Hi, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. How are you all? And today I am going to discuss about the health benefits of the sweet potato. Especially in December, January, you can find it everywhere in Indian city. It is very cheap and it is very good for your health. And if you take off sweet potato regularly, you avoid to go to the doctor. There is lot of benefits in the sweet potato. It's have a vitamins and minerals, and it's have a lot of fiber, and it's good for your brain, and it will increase your immune power. And you can taking the sweet potato at least weekly twice or two or three times. It will reduce your free radicals from your body. Once the free radicals will remove from your body, we can be safe from cancer. This is very important. For this only I make this video. Sweet potato is the good source to avoid the cancer. So kindly you take the sweet potato at least weekly two or three times. It's you can cook as you wish, but you have to take the sweet potato because we are avoiding the sweet potato. A lot of people won't eating the sweet potatoes, but if you take the sweet potatoes, you are be healthy and you will be very active, and it is very good for your body. Have a good day. Thank you so much.